Isn't it beautiful? For this video, I'm going to take you to Gosausee Lake. It's upper part of Austria, and we will try to have a hiking around the lake of Gosausee. So come and join me. Let's hike Gosausee. So mga palangga, this is Gosausee. We are in the town of Gosausee, and this is the first lake that we stop. Actually, this is not the biggest lake in Gosausee. There is another one on top. So we will drive on top of here. In between these mountains, that is the biggest lake where we will hike. So for now, we are going to have a coffee here, and yeah, we will have a rest for a while before we hit the bigger lake to do our hiking. So this is the view of the lake. It's just amazing. This is how we relax, just by the lake and have coffee and snacks.
This is the proper angle for the coffee time, you see.
Ich mache jetzt erstmal ein Foto. Da wo Schnee ist, da laufen wir.
Go back to your left. Maybe one day we can be like that. Go behind on the left side of your head. Go back.
What? This one?
There was the old couple there. The guy sitting.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Look at the duck. Our duck is better at the quality.
See mga palangga, there's still ice. So mga palangga, this is the biggest lake of Gosausee. This is called Gosausee. And yeah, we will do the hike from here around the lake over there, and then we will go back there, and then we will gonna swim in the end. So let's go.
Son doctor muy virales de la casa de chicos.
Hike pa more. So guys, check out some of the people they are climbing.
Nebo dát ochránce, jako aby zalehli, aby on přestal mluvit a zalehli ho, aby přesně tak, no.
So mga palangga, we're almost halfway to our hike. We still have a lot to walk to. We have to reach in that point in the opposite side, and we will stop there to have our snacks and then continue our hike all the way back. So much better that we bring the shoes.
Why? What did we have last year?
Our Adidas.
Ah, okay.
Adidas is good for Egat or something.
Sí, sí la vi.
Pero no son de sol, creo que son de ver. Uy, ¿eso qué es? Una serpiente, serpiente. Muerta, pero serpiente.
因为咱已经是最早一班了啊。
你把根树拿出来。必须得来这儿哈，这个跟瞬间都是有关系。
那个中间那个也得，不来会有遗憾。我觉得自己少去吃个亏，亏吃完了就心干了。
干了。
Überlegen wir uns, wie wir motiviert sind.
So when do you want to swim? When we are back?
No, we will find some space there that only. Here also can be, but it's too much crowded. I think he died here. See how the flying is?
If I fall, I end up in the water. شو مشكل. What is it? It's colder than, where were we? Attersee. Cold but not bad. It feels good actually, it feels good. If only my ankle wasn't hurting so bad.
No problem, let's check this one. There's no shade at all. This is already nice over that small bay, but there's no shade. It's very hot. I want just by the way, let's just
swim up to your own rock. There.
yeah.
From where?
That area, oh, that one. You see, there is a small bay. There's kids there. There is another area before them.
Okay.
You want to go down a bit here? There in that side.
Here we could.
She go in. Let's see if it's muddy.
No, it's not mud.
But this one nobody really swims that much because they are full of mosses and green. If you go straight, you will find another lake.
Okay.
It's called Gosausee. And then after that there will be another lake, bit smaller than this one. This one is the round. So I think we will do the round on this one. We don't go to Hinter.
Do you want to at least just have a look?
Yeah,
Or just go?
Yeah, let's go.
How far?
105 kilometers.
Hmm?
500 meters. But that is not the...
How did it look on the videos?
It's not.
As nice as this one or not?
No, it's just small lake. You know. And then we need to walk more to straight and we will reach that homestead, the one I told you that there is a restaurant. But it's not enter at your own risk. The trail close in heavy rain. No, we don't. We'll just go here.
Okay.
Mama.
Milo. Mama. Hier, sonst heißt er Holzmeister ein. Hier, das müssen wir für machen. Das ist einmal von wegen hier, so eine Hütte. Da kann man nicht rein. Da kann man auch nicht okay, mach das. Den Guten. Das dauert ein bisschen. Ja, also das ist okay.
It's deep, but it's nice. There is a little bit deep. And you can sit down there.
Yeah, good.
I like it, there is some stone area. Just to relax here.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice, no?
Yeah.
We can just swim here.
Yeah.
Mga palangga, we decide to swim here. It's so deep, but at least there's the bay. And this is our view. So we will hang out here for now. Mga palangga, we just finished our nice swim here in Gosausee, so we will be heading back to our car now and hit the road to go down to the small lake and prepare our dinner. Then after that, we will be driving back to Attersee. We decided to spend the night there, so that's it. It's very nice. The water is very cold, but it's very refreshing, and you feel nice after you finish the swim. It's nice swim, yeah?
Yeah, very nice.
So mga langga, there is a stream here. You can see the water is coming out from the stone and going to the lake. You're going. So mga palangga, on the way back, nakita namin tong stream na to. It's very nice. The small waterfall. Cold?
Ice cream.
This is the drinking water, I think.
Yeah.
Can you hold it for me? I will try.
You don't want to try? Let me try.
So mga palangga, as people passing by, they are drinking this natural spring water. So we are taking it. It's very cold. It's very cold water.
But look at it, it's already.
So mga palangga, it's all over a small stream here. And this is actually the melted ice from the Alps, and it goes to the lake Gosausee. Mga palangga, we need 30 minutes more to walk back to our car. So mga palangga, we are in our final stretch. Babalik kami dyan sa kung saan kami pumasok kanina. Babalik kami dito. Tapos bababa kami, nandun na yung sasakyan namin. So, this is the end of our Gosausee hiking. Gosausee hiking.
No.
Don't do that. So mga palangga, we finished our hiking and we completed the hike in 3 hours, of course including the detour. We did a swim, we sit down by the lake and swim and then have a snack also. So that's it, our hiking in Gosausee Lake. Thank you for watching.